Take a look at all of these AI product images that I have created, and they look better than a $10,000 photo shoot. And in this video, I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create the highest quality product images possible. So this tool is called Instant Studio, and with it, you can create anything you want, from product shots to lifestyle images, you name it. Simply upload an image and you can turn it into anything you want. So let's do that as well. Let's start with creating something. And right here, we can choose between a pack shot or a lifestyle photo. Let's start with a pack shot to really focus on the product images. So to showcase how powerful this AI tool is, I'm gonna upload a image that I've just took with my phone. This one right here of this hat, it's pretty ugly, but let's turn it into something beautiful. It's uploading to Instant Studio, and there it is. And now we can choose between different styles. So this right here makes it super easy to create content with AI, because you simply select a preset and it will execute it perfectly. But next to selecting a preset, you can also create your own. So right here, you can choose between different angles in which you want to showcase your product, different types of backgrounds, the crop, so do you want to show the product in full or a certain close-up, the lighting, the surface, tone, you name it. For now, let's keep it simple and let's pick a nice preset. I think this one right here can work pretty well, the Gobo one. It's selected. Now we can add a prompt as well if we want, but it's not really needed. We can set the dimension of the image, 1 by 1 is fine. We can determine the quality, HD, 2K, 4K, and then we can choose between different AI models. So within Instant Studio, you can choose between the best AI image models out there. Let's go with Gemini 3 Pro for now and click on Generate. And there we go. It's already loading. Right here, we can see again what we have done. So we are creating a pack shot using Gemini 3 Pro, 1 by 1 ratio and HD quality. We wait a little bit and then it's done. And there we have the image. Let's click on it. This is a beautiful, beautiful image. Look at that. We can also zoom in to see the quality of the image, and this is looking very, very nice. So we just transformed this ugly photo I took with my iPhone into a super high quality image using AI, using Instant Studio. The beauty of Instant Studio is that we can iterate upon this image to create a consistent sort of library of images for this product. And what we do is click on Edit with AI. Now this photo is added to the prompt box. You can see it right here. And let's add a simple prompt. Keep everything the same, but show the product now from the side. There we go, pretty fake prompt, but I want to showcase the product from the side. We click on Generate, and there we go. And we have another beautiful image created by AI, now showcasing the product from the side. And this truly feels like magic. Now let's do it one more time. Keep everything the same, but show the product from the back. So we have a nice back shot of this hat. Let's click on Generate yet again. And there we have it, another beautiful image, now showcasing the product from the back. And now we have already created a very nice library to show on our product pages for a Shopify store or in our ads, whatever you want to do with it. Now let's do another thing. And now when we create a pack shot, let's upload the image again, the photo I took with my iPhone. By the way, next to uploading image, you can also use all of your Shopify images. So when you have connected your Shopify store to Instant, you can use all of your Shopify product images right here within Instant Studio and make them better with AI. For now, let's upload the same image we started with, my ugly hat photo I took with my iPhone, and let's create our own preset. So for the angle, let's show it from the front. Then for the background, let's show some nice shadows. Then showcase the product in full. For the lighting, let's go for side lighting. Studio, the surface is fine and the tone is also fine. Let's do a neutral. We have now a couple of custom presets. If we click on this, we can see what we have just selected. We can also change that, do anything else that we want. We can add something to the prompt, but for now, with this custom preset created, let's generate this image and see what comes out of it. So there we go again. The AI is working hard to turn this into a beautiful product image. And there we go. I think this comes pretty close, or almost it's spot on with what we have selected in our custom studio. We can see the product in full. We can see some nice leaf shadows. We have the product in full. We have side lighting, as you can see from the shadows. And then it's just a neutral color palette. So this is looking very, very nice. Now let's switch from packshot right here to lifestyle to show the product in action. So the attached image, the iPhone image, is still there. And within lifestyle, we can first of all select a scene. So again, we have all these different presets that you can choose from. Let's, for this one, go for this preset right here, solar flare. But again, next to the presets, you can also create your own, just like with the packshots. But for now, let's pick this one right here. And then we can select our AI avatar, our model that we want to use. And whichever model you use, you can use that model in all the different sort of presets to create a very nice, consistent library of product and lifestyle images. So let's select this model right here. We can also choose between males and females, but this one right here. Then we have the model selected. Let's set the dimensions again to 1 by 1. And then let's make sure that the model wears the hat. And let's also say natural lighting and a nice grainy effect on the photo. Natural. There we go. Let's click on generate and see what will happen. And there we have another beautiful image. And now our product is on an AI model or AI avatar. It looks like a beautiful lifestyle image. There we go. The quality is great. And it did exactly what we want. So she's wearing the hat. We see natural light. We see this nice grainy, high fashion lifestyle effect on the photo. And this is how you can create hundreds, if not thousands, of consistent images for your e-commerce brand. And the beauty of Instant Studio is that you don't have to waste hours and hundreds of dollars on AI credits and figuring out what type of prompts actually works, because Instant has laid the groundwork for you and just makes it super, super simple to create anything you want. So if you want to use this AI product, be sure to create an account on instant.so or download the Shopify app from within the Shopify App Store and start creating better images for your brand.